So you got a tent for your truck bed, but you don't actually have a bed for that tent. Today, we talk about it. So instead of buying a tent from one company, a bed from another company, it's better just to have a one-stop shop, which JOYTUS is that one-stop shop. We have the truck bed tent, now we need the mattress. Let's get into it. Starting off with the unboxing, you get the box itself. Nice box, it has a cool little air mattress on the side of it, super neat. Inside of the box, drum roll please, you get an air mattress, yeah. I will say I was surprised with the amount of stuff that you get inside of this box, so let's keep going. You get a nice bag that comes covering the air mattress and two, not one, but two air pillows. You also get a pump included in the kit, but there's more. It comes with two cables, one for your standard house outlet, but another one for the car outlet. So you can use this at home, but if you're taking it out and you're camping, you have a car outlet as well. But wait, there's more. Accidents happen if you puncture it. They have a puncture repair kit, which is absolute money. Now that we know what comes in the box, now let's get into this setup. So using the pump that is provided in the box, let's go ahead and pump this bad boy up. Usually the pumps that come provided with an air mattress are trash. This is not that. I've actually purchased another $20 air pump just in case, and this did better than that. So, well, I returned the other one. So on either side, obviously there's a cutout for the wheel wells, but if you're not sleeping in a truck bed, you're sleeping at home, or you're putting it in a different type of vehicle, you can actually inflate these just so that that gap is filled. The air pillows, not just this company, but every company, every air mattress that I've seen, I don't think I've ever heard a positive review about air pillows. I didn't mind them. I slept with them. They were comfortable. Maybe I'm weird. Give them a try. Let me know what you think. I think they were pretty good. And now there's only one thing to do, and that's get some sleep. So I'll be back. I actually already slept in it a couple times, so what I just said was more for a dramatic effect. I'm still here. I guess we can talk about my experience now. It was good. I actually enjoyed the air mattress. I was surprised. I have had a bunch of air mattresses, and well, this one was quite enjoyable. It also has a little cup holder, which is super nice. I just put all my stuff in there, like my phones, my keys, just so that I had quicker access to it. But if you have, I don't know, a water bottle, then you could put that in there. Not only that, I had my dad sleep in it one night, my sister slept in it a different night, and then I slept in it as well. Me, my girlfriend, and our dog. We slept comfortably. A lot of space, very, very usable. Side note, my dog didn't rip the bed, and I was surprised because she rips everything. So with that being said, if you're looking to sleep in the bed of your truck and you need an air mattress, search no more. This is the one to go with. It comes with two pillows, an air pump, and a patch repair kit. Everything you'll need to set it up and everything you need in case something goes wrong. With that being said, it will be linked down below. Pick yours up and sleep better.